And that deal, though. Yeah, because they're a pretty bike here. And you know, just tell us a gas price raise city. Yeah. Yes, so you have to up it, thing, man. Big up the teacher. Right, safe. Remember that safety is key, hear that? No joke, no. Big up yourself, my bro. Yeah, so delivery off. I think you don't know, man. I go make sure say the kitchen, the chicken them reach. You see me? See, they get their delivery service. Call them and order your chicken. I don't know normal thing. Watch out, massive. Oh my word. Oh my word. But me not lie, I love my Jamaican people them. You see me? My Jamaican people them the normal, bro. Jamaican people them happy there. You understand? Just like how me there. I make you save the line and get longer out here because the Oldharbor KFC just the normal right now.